And so when I have conversation with people who idolize this man, and I think he's a great champion, but my conversation was about how do you think, or what do you think the true nature of someone is who manages to accomplish that and also to build so much wealth and, even an empire that this person is doing and generating contracts and doing things that to me are not or do not match this teddy bear narrative or image that is so cultivated by his PR machine. And this is one of the PR examples that really impresses me.